Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can add money to your Viber Pay or your Viber wallet. So let's get started. Now first off, just open up your Viber app. Then defaultly you will be on your home screen, on the chat screen. So from here just go ahead and tap on the Pay button right here. So sometimes you will need to input your PIN, so let's go ahead and quickly do this. Then you will be on the Viber Pay section of the app. So right here to add money, you would just need to tap this add money icon right here. Then you would need to input the amount of funds that you would like to transfer. So let's say 10 euros. Now next up you would need to choose the deposit method, so essentially the source of the funds that you would like to transfer to Viber. Now this can be a debit or a credit card which has an instant transfer, or this can be a bank transfer. Now bank transfers do take about 1 business day to complete, so depending on your preferences you can either choose a card or a bank transfer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and choose the card because it's instant. Then you would need to input the card information, so that being the card number, the CVV, and so on. Now after you inputted all the card information, just go ahead and tap on add card. And there we go. So we just connected our card to Viber. Now once the card is connected, you would be able to see it right here under the chosen methods. So next up you would need to tap on add money right here. Then you would need to input your PIN or scan your fingerprint depending which method you set up. And as a last step, you would need to confirm this transaction in your bank app, Revolut, or whichever card you have connected. So for me that is Revolut. And there we go. So in a few moments the funds should appear in your Viber Pay app. And essentially guys, that's how you can fund your Viber Pay account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.